కల్లారగడ్డ తిరుపతికి బస్సు ఉండదు మే. చిత్తూరు పాలకోవా ఛార్జీలకి ఏమంటావా, నువ్వే పెట్టుకుని పోతావా?
గొంతులు కూడా ఉందా?
పూరి
కొబ్బరి బొండం మేడం మేడం ఎలాంటి కొబ్బరి బొండం కావాలి చెప్పండి. ఈ చేతిలో ఉండేదంట, ఈ చేతిలో ఉండేదంట.
Amigos, welcome back to another vlog in Tirupati. So we are at Papa Vinashanam and we also took darshan. You can go back to the last video and check for it. My friend bought this little Krishna and all the small Deepa and all those things, and it just costed 200 rupees. It seems, I couldn't believe it was so cheap. But yeah, it looks like it was some kind of good quality one, but I don't know why it was that cheap, but it was really looking good and she liked Krishna. So yeah, we were little bit bored and tired, so we all decided to play truth or dare game. Nobody has guts to actually choose, dare. Everybody was actually choosing truth and all that, and I decided to choose dare only once and see how it's gonna be, because I just wanted to see how it's gonna be. And glass bottles in whole Tirupati, everybody was giving these glass bottles, and we can return it. If we take it home, it's gonna cost us 80 rupees, but if we give it back, we are gonna reduce it to 50 rupees, so almost 30 or 20 rupees we are gonna save. So that is how it works in Tirupati. So they are gonna use or reuse glass bottles, as plastic bottles they can't just throw it away somewhere, because so many people will be there and they'll throw it here and there, right? And this is coffee. It was so disgusting. I took coffee from here, and Siri had a back pain very badly because she climbed 9 kilometers of her steps. It was actually unbelievable for me. She really worked hard for whatever she wanted, and hope it's gonna become true.
జస్ట్ వెళ్ళి ఆంటీ చెప్పకూడదు, జస్ట్
Here two aunties are sitting and eating so beautifully and cutely. So my friend Siri gave me a date to just go there and take one of it and have it. So that was the dare. I was actually feeling quite hesitated, as they are already sharing in one plate, and I don't know actually how it's gonna work, but it's a dare I have to try. And it was so funny and I was laughing, trying to see. I was so hesitated, what if this auntie gets up and slaps me or something. It was so funny, and I just wanted to see what happened. They got up and went off, so they gave dare here with another family. I took, and she got scared and moved back. And finally I did it. See the faces of auntie and uncle also laughing, and I said thank you to them after that, and I started having this punugulu. Yay, I won the dare, and I am the only one who took the dare. Yeah, I am the smartest and bold one. After saying thank you to this family, we moved ahead. Oh, Gundu. And after this, I started enjoying the punugulu without chutney. It was a dare, and finally did it, and it was so crazy and funny. Then we moved ahead and we decided to go to Sri Kalahasti after this Papa Vinashanam. And the nature, the ambience, the beauty is really good, worth watching. It was so beautiful, and I started embracing each and every moment. It was fun, crazy and all that. We enjoyed a lot, and we came to the conclusion that you don't actually have to go to Goa itself to have fun. You can have fun anywhere in the world you want. We all had enjoyed all the things we have done in Tirupati, and we couldn't actually find the room at first. We couldn't actually find the tickets for darshanam at first. We couldn't actually find any rooms in the Tirupati, so we had to come to Tirumala. So on and so forth, so many troubles, so many problems, so many issues. And end of the day, we climbed the mountain, and it was 9 kilometers long and almost 4,000 to 5,000 steps each and every step. we put the kumkum. So it was worth, the trip. It was really good and we really enjoyed each and every bit of it. And I would suggest you guys to go on road if you're going to Tirupati. It's really amazing and it gives you the awesome experience, and you can stop wherever you want and take pictures or make videos or enjoy the nature if you don't like pictures. As my brother always says, memories has to be saved in your brain, not on your phone. So that actually sounds good, but for me, as my memory mostly works on cache memory, I cannot remember most of the time, so it doesn't work for me. And for people who it works, you can actually go for it. By seeing these places, we actually started remembering the walk or the climb we have done. It was not easy, it was so difficult, and one of my, what do you call, subscriber or a friend or somebody commented saying overacting, but trust me, I didn't even capture where I was feeling dizzy and I almost felt like I might faint, and I was scared. I asked my friend that what if I fall down from here, will I die? Because it's a staircase, and what if I just scroll like that? So I actually didn't capture the worst moments. I couldn't actually, I was not in a situation, but still, even though when I updated the common and really honest and genuine feelings of mine, still people would say that it's overacting, but I should not bother much. But I honestly say that it was really genuine, and I actually felt so fatigued. And when you climb, you will get to know you have to bend every single time, and it's not easy. If you feel like it's overacting, I don't know how to actually explain that to you guys. When you do it, let me know how you feel about it. If you feel strong, and I'm so happy for you. If you don't feel, then you understand my pain. All these people are climbing the mountain, so they will reach in almost 3-4 hours to the top, and it is really not easy. And you can see so many people enjoying taking pictures and all, because it is beautiful and nature is really good. There's so many animals you could see on the way. This all actually kind of motivates you to move ahead without having any issue, or without even focusing on your pain. But leg pains will definitely be there for you. We actually thought of even taking a tablet, because me and my friend, oh my god, we felt so bad. The layer of our foot, no, it was actually paining as if it falls off. It was really that horrible. But yeah, anyhow, we have to move on. And every step we were taking, it might seem that we are walking normally, but it was difficult, and it was also raining. There is one condition that you are not supposed to reach down, or less than 40 minutes. So we already reached off of the place within 10 minutes, so we decided to go slow and take a small break right here. And our friends also wanted to use the washroom, so we decided to go slowly from here. And it was raining. Stay tuned to watch the Srikalahasti. Please subscribe and support. Hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Toodles.